I'm going to introduce some examples in uh, Praxis, and I want to show you how to model different projects and different examples in Praxis. Uh, I'm going to model some examples from relatively simple examples to relatively complicated examples. And I have an overview to some examples that I'm going to model for you. Uh, Firstly, I want to model a single pile. I'm going to model a single pile. A single pile, as you see, I'm going to model a pile with diameter about 1 meter and length about 10 meter in a single uh, layer soil, single pile in single layer soil, and I'm going to evaluate the bearing capacity, vertical bearing capacity of the single pile in a single layer soil. Uh, this modeling is consists of three phases. First phase is initial phase. In initial phase, we define uh, the ground without construction of the pile. And in the second phase, we try to construct the pile. After that, in the third phase, we prescribe displacement to the surface of on the top of the pile, and then run and execute the model and evaluate the uh, bearing capacity, vertical bearing capacity. First phase, initial phase, as you see. Second phase, construction of the pile, as you see. As you see in the second phase, we have pile and interface. This is the pile, this is the interface. And after that, we have displacement, prescribed displacement. This is surface displacement, prescribed displacement. And after that, we will see the results, the outputs. For example, at the end of the uh, execution, we will see the displacement, and we can see vertical stresses, vertical effective stresses, and everything that we need. In the second example, we will see uh, pile group foundation. In the second step, we will see pile group foundation. Uh, As you see, we have a math foundation that is improved with a group of pies. So we have a group pie foundation. This is a group pie foundation. As you see, uh, this is uh, surface load and math foundation, and we can see the pile group. If I want to show you, we must hide some part of our project so you can see the group uh, pile. This is a pile group. I delete plates and interfaces so you can see pile group. This is pile group, and this is surface load. And now we add uh, mat foundation and walls. And now we add interfaces. So this is all of the model. And our purpose is evaluate the um, foundation behavior uh, against the surface loading. Um, in this part, we can see output, some parts of output. For example, in this part, we can see displacements. This picture shows displacements due to loading phase at the end of uh, model. You can see displacements, or if you want to see more exactly, uh, I can show you. This is a cross section. This is a cross section that shows deformation and use it. Now we can see displacements of different parts of foundation. So after this example, we can see the example of MSE wall, uh, a kind of MSE wall. It is relatively complicated MSE wall with curved shape. As you see in this picture, we have a emissive wall. This emissive wall is consists of three parts. One part is curved shape, and two other parts are straight parts. This emissive wall is consists of jaw grid, continuous jaw grid. So uh, the length of jaw grid are about 6 meters. And if you want to see the results, of course, this model is consist of about 12 phases. If you want to see how this model is uh, constructed, you can see initial phase. This is initial phase. Then first phase, the first layer is constructed. Then the second layer, third layer, and uh, so on. 6, 7, 8. And uh, the last part, in the 12th phase, the whole emissive wall, backfill of emissive wall will be completed. The output, we can see the result. And for example, if you want to have an overview on the output, we can see, for example, displacements of the uh, wall in this page. This is a cross. This is a whole model. I want to make a cross section here. So we can see the displacements of the curved part of the wall. Now, if we zoom, this is the displacement of the wall in the curved shape part of the wall.